transforming small spaces into chic and stylish sanctuaries, all on a budget. Today, we'll delve into practical and elegant interior design ideas that can make any compact living area both functional and beautiful. These tips will help you create a space that feels luxurious without the hefty price tag. Maximizing coziness in compact living. In small spaces, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere is essential. One effective way to achieve this is by using warm and textured elements. Imagine a living room with a charcoal gray sofa that acts as a focal point. This bold piece can be complemented with colorful scatter cushions, adding personality without cluttering the space. A gallery wall featuring personal photos or affordable art can bring character and warmth to your home. Elegant simplicity on a shoestring. For bedrooms, combining patterns and textures can create an inviting and serene space. A lattice headboard paired with a colorful mosaic wardrobe brings excitement and cohesion to the room. These elements make the bedroom a relaxing retreat while staying within budget. Bright and airy, small space solutions. To make a small room feel larger, prioritize light colors and natural light. A light-flooded room with soft hues can create a sense of spaciousness. Using mirrors strategically can also enhance the feeling of openness and reflect more light into the room. Laundry room chic on a dime. Even the laundry room can be stylish and functional. Open shelving with clean white containers and natural baskets can make the space orderly and attractive. This approach ensures that even the most utilitarian areas of your home are pleasing to the eye. Ingenious use of space in a book lover's nook. Smart, multifunctional furniture is key in small spaces. A cubby-turned bookshelf maximizes vertical space and creates a cozy reading corner by a bright window. This setup is perfect for book lovers who want to make the most of their compact living area. Vintage vibes for the modern collector. Incorporating vintage elements can add soul to a contemporary setting. A mid-century record shelf paired with a classic chair not only provides storage but also acts as a stylish focal point. This combination is ideal for those who appreciate a blend of old and new. Plant-filled harmony in a modern setting. Indoor plants bring vibrancy and energy to any space. A living room with lush greenery contrasts beautifully with sleek, modern furniture, creating a harmonious balance between nature and contemporary design. Timeless elegance with a personal twist. Personal mementos and classic elements can make a space feel curated and intimate. A modest bookshelf showcasing literature and cherished items can become a focal point, blending elegance with personal touch. Smart design for sociable spaces. For communal areas, smart furniture choices and striking floor patterns can define the space. An inviting dining area can be achieved by using compact furniture and thoughtful design, making the most of the available room. Tranquil retreat in a tiny bathroom. Even small bathrooms can be elegant and functional. A sage green vanity with gold fixtures adds a pop of color and warmth, creating a tranquil haven. This simple yet effective design approach makes the bathroom a relaxing retreat. Neutral palette meets textural contrast. Using a neutral palette with textural contrast can create a sophisticated and calming living space. Cane panels and plush furnishings invite relaxation, making the room both stylish and comfortable. Maximizing minimalism in a multi-purpose corner. A multi-purpose corner can be a space-saving solution that combines storage, entertainment, and style. An understated color palette ensures the area remains open and uncluttered, perfect for small homes. Sleek functionality in a chic entertainment space. A compact entertainment area with a floating shelf and sleek console provides ample storage for books and media equipment. This setup combines minimalism with utility, making it ideal for small spaces. Compact culinary charm in a cozy kitchen. In a small kitchen, every inch must be maximized. A narrow kitchen island that doubles as a dining area is a clever twist for space saving. This setup ensures functionality without sacrificing aesthetics. Cultural elegance in a relaxing lounge. Unique wall art and luxurious yet understated furniture can create a relaxing lounge that reflects cultural appreciation. This design approach is perfect for those who want a space that is both stylish and meaningful. Minimalist elegance in a sociable living space. A minimalist yet elegant living room can be achieved with a striking pendant light and sculptural elements. This setup enhances vertical space and draws the eye upward, making the room feel larger. Functional flair in a compact kitchen. Wall-mounted planters and clever use of vertical space for kitchen tools can make a compact kitchen stylish and efficient. This design ensures that the kitchen remains functional while looking great. Lush greenery in an earthy indoor sanctuary. Creating an indoor oasis with hanging plants and natural textures can bring a sense of calm to any small space. This design approach connects the indoors with nature, providing a serene environment. We hope these chic, budget-friendly interior design ideas inspire you to transform your small space into a stylish and functional haven. Happy decorating!